Have you ever woken up from a dream, your heart pounding, feeling like you just experienced another reality? Dreams are strange, often illogical, yet incredibly vivid experiences. But why do we dream? Modern research suggests dreams reflect our brain's activity during sleep. Think of your brain as a vast, complex city. During the day, the city bustles with activity. As night falls, the city doesn't simply shut down. This is the world of sleep, where dreams take center stage. REM sleep is characterized by vivid dreams and heightened brain activity. Studying these patterns gives insights into the mechanisms of dreaming.
Imagine yourself as an astronaut peering down at Earth from space. You notice cities twinkling with lights. Now, imagine using a special telescope to peer inside sleeping brains. During REM sleep, specific brain regions come alive with electrical impulses. The limbic system, the emotional brain, becomes very active.
Consider the amygdala, a small almond-shaped structure deep within the brain. This tiny powerhouse processes emotions, particularly fear and anxiety. During REM sleep, the amygdala becomes highly active, leading an orchestra of emotions. This could explain why elements of waking life appear in dreams in altered forms. Imagine trying to understand a conversation in a foreign language. Dreams can feel similar, a jumbled mix of images and emotions. Dreams have their own internal logic and symbolism, waiting to be deciphered. Certain themes and symbols recur across cultures and individuals. These themes reflect fundamental human experiences and concerns.
Picture your brain as a vast library. Throughout the day, you add countless books to this repository of knowledge. During REM sleep, your brain sorts and catalogues the day's experiences. This process, known as memory consolidation, transforms new information into lasting memories. Think of it as the librarian shelving each book in its proper place. Think about a time when you had to study for an important exam. REM sleep consolidates memories, especially for learning and problem solving. Students with adequate REM sleep perform better on exams. Pulling an all-nighter can harm your performance. Lack of REM sleep robs your brain of memory consolidation. Imagine your memory as a multi-story building. The ground floor is short-term memory, a temporary holding space. Attention and rehearsal send information up to long-term memory. REM sleep is crucial for this memory elevator to function. The brain replays and reorganizes memories during sleep.
Imagine your mind as a kitchen, cooking up experiences, work, social interactions, personal triumphs. Dreams act as the overnight cleaning crew of our minds. During REM sleep, emotional centers like the amygdala and hippocampus become active. Dreams are emotional shorthand, using metaphor and symbol to communicate complex feelings. Being lost in a maze might symbolize confusion or feeling overwhelmed. Teeth falling out could reflect anxieties about aging or vulnerability. Recurring themes in dreams provide insights into our emotional landscape. Keep a dream journal, noting dreams and emotions upon waking. Imagine a pressure cooker. As heat builds, pressure increases, and without release, it could explode. Similarly, our emotions can feel like a pressure cooker during stress. Dreams act as a safety valve, releasing pent-up feelings.
Imagine watching a movie where the characters suddenly become aware they're on a movie set. This break in the illusion is like lucid dreaming, where you realize you're dreaming while still in the dream. It's like gaining backstage access to your own mind. You can shape the dream according to your will. This opens up a world of exploration and self-discovery. Lucid dreaming is a skill that can be cultivated through practice and specific techniques. One effective method is reality testing, questioning your state of awareness throughout the day. Train your mind to recognize the differences between waking life and the dream world. Make it a habit to ask yourself, am I dreaming? Perform simple reality checks, like looking at a clock twice or flipping a light switch. In dreams, these actions often produce inconsistent results. Practicing these checks increases the likelihood of lucidity in dreams.
Scientists have long been intrigued by lucid dreaming, using brain imaging techniques to understand this unique state of consciousness. Research suggests that lucid dreaming is associated with increased activity in the prefrontal cortex, a region involved in higher-order thinking and self-awareness. Think of the prefrontal cortex as the CEO of the brain, responsible for decision-making. During ordinary dreams, this area is relatively quiet, explaining why dreams often feel illogical. However, during lucid dreaming, the prefrontal cortex lights up, almost as if awakening. This surge in activity is thought to be responsible for the increased self-awareness and critical thinking abilities experienced during lucid dreams. Studies have also shown increased activity in areas involved in sensory processing and motor control. This might explain why lucid dreamers often report feeling more physically present in their dreams.
Section 1. Dreams across cultures. A tapestry of interpretations. Imagine traveling the world not just to different countries, but to different realms of thought and belief. Just as languages and customs vary across cultures, so too do interpretations of dreams. What might be seen as a prophetic vision in one culture could be dismissed as a mere figment of imagination in another. For centuries, dreams have held a special place in human societies, often viewed as a bridge between the conscious and unconscious worlds. Ancient civilizations often attributed dreams to divine intervention, seeing them as messages from gods or ancestors. In some indigenous cultures, dreams provide guidance, healing, and warnings of danger. Shamans and dream interpreters help decipher hidden messages within dreams. Even in modern Western societies, dreams continue to fascinate and intrigue. We recognize their power to evoke emotions, spark creativity, and offer glimpses into our deepest fears and desires. Section 2. Cultural symbols. Decoding the language of dreams. Think of dreams as stories told in a universal language of symbols and metaphors. The meanings of dream symbols can vary based on cultural background and personal experiences. For example, a snake might evoke fear in one culture, but symbolize healing in another. Water could represent cleansing in one context or hidden emotions in another. Even within the same culture, meanings can vary based on personal history. A dog might symbolize loyalty for one person, but fear for another. Understanding cultural and personal context is key to interpreting dreams. Despite diverse interpretations, certain dream themes transcend boundaries, suggesting a shared human experience. These themes reflect our primal fears and desires, connecting us as human beings. Dreams about flying symbolize freedom and transcendence. Falling dreams represent loss of control and fear of failure. Common themes include being chaste or naked in public. These universal themes suggest a common psychological landscape.
Imagine your mind as a laboratory, filled with beakers bubbling over with ideas, wires sparking with inspiration. At night, when the lights dim, something magical happens. The brain's nocturnal research and development team kicks into gear. Freed from logic, the mind becomes a playground for creativity. Dreams are the mind's way of thinking outside the box. It can mix ideas, images, and emotions in ways that seem nonsensical. This freedom to experiment can lead to unexpected breakthroughs. Many artists, musicians, and writers have credited dreams with inspiring their works. Dreams and creativity aren't just for artists. Scientists and inventors have also had dream-inspired insights leading to groundbreaking discoveries. Auguste Kekulé, a German chemist, struggled to understand the benzene molecule's structure. One night, he dreamt of a snake biting its tail, forming a ring. This dream led him to realize the benzene molecule was a ring, revolutionizing organic chemistry. Kekulé's story shows that groundbreaking ideas can emerge from our unconscious minds. Paul McCartney awoke with a complete melody in his head, leading to the Beatles' song Yesterday. These stories highlight the connection between dreams and creative potential. While not every dream leads to a breakthrough, They reveal the boundless possibilities of human imagination.
Imagine a grand theater, its velvet curtains drawn, the air thick with anticipation. On stage, a play unfolds, but it's not your typical drama. The characters are strange, the plot is nonsensical, and the dialogue is full of double meanings. This, according to Sigmund Freud, is the theater of our dreams. Freud believed dreams are messages from our unconscious minds. They reveal our deepest desires, fears, and conflicts, cleverly disguised in symbolic form. Your conscious mind is like a security guard, monitoring what enters your awareness. At night, the unconscious mind expresses its hidden agendas. It stages elaborate plays in our dreams, using symbols and metaphors. Freud said dreams reflect repressed wishes and fears. By analyzing dream symbols, we gain insights into our unconscious minds. While Freud's theories about dreams were groundbreaking, they have been subject to much debate and revision. Contemporary research explores dreams' roles in memory, learning, and emotional regulation. The activation synthesis model suggests dreams arise from the brain's attempt to make sense of random neural activity. Think of it this way. Your brain is like a storyteller, weaving a jumbled collection of images, emotions, and memories into a story. Dreams might not have inherent meaning, but reflect the brain's drive to find patterns. The threat simulation theory proposes dreams help us rehearse for dangerous situations. Dreams provide a safe space to practice fight or flight responses and test strategies. Imagine a doctor listening to a patient's heartbeat through a stethoscope. The rhythmic thump-thump provides valuable information about the patient's physical health. Similarly, therapists view dreams as a stethoscope for the mind, offering glimpses into a person's emotional state. Recurring dream themes or intense emotions can signal underlying psychological distress. Dreams can act as early warning systems, alerting us to issues needing attention. For example, anxiety might manifest as dreams about being chased or lost. These dreams reflect waking anxieties about control or security. Depression might show up as dreams of loss or hopelessness. Not all negative dreams indicate mental health issues. Disturbing dreams can help process emotions or confront fears, but frequent, intense negative dreams might need professional attention. When dreams become nightmares, recognizing distress signals. Imagine waking up in a cold sweat, your heart pounding, the remnants of a terrifying dream still vivid in your mind. Nightmares, those intensely disturbing dreams that often jolt us awake, can be a particularly distressing experience. While occasional nightmares are common, recurring or vivid nightmares can indicate underlying mental health issues. Individuals with PTSD often experience nightmares that replay the traumatic event. These nightmares disrupt sleep and contribute to anxiety. If nightmares interfere with your sleep or daily life, seek professional help. A therapist can help explore causes, develop coping mechanisms, and create a peaceful sleep environment.
Ancient dreams seeking clues in the animal kingdom. Imagine yourself as a time traveler journeying millions of years into the past. You find yourself surrounded by dinosaurs, their massive forms casting long shadows in the prehistoric sun. As night falls and these ancient giants drift off to sleep, you might wonder, did these creatures dream? While we can't ask a T-Rex about its dreams, scientists believe that dreaming is not unique to humans. Observing animals during REM sleep, researchers find signs of vivid dreaming similar to humans. For example, sleeping cats show muscle relaxation and brain activity bursts, suggesting they might be dreaming. The evolutionary edge: did dreams help us survive? Why would dreaming, this seemingly whimsical activity, have evolved in so many species? One theory suggests dreams played a crucial role in survival, helping ancestors navigate a dangerous world. Imagine early humans living in constant fear of predators. Survival depended on anticipating threats and reacting quickly. Dreams might have served as a nocturnal training ground, rehearsing for real-life dangers. During REM sleep, the brain could simulate threats, practicing escape strategies. This training honed reflexes and decision-making, increasing survival chances. Studies show preyed-upon animals have more REM sleep than predators. Dreaming might be crucial for species needing constant vigilance, providing a survival edge.
The uncharted territories of the dreaming mind. Standing on the shores of a mysterious ocean, we glimpse the creatures and currents shaping its landscape. Yet much of this realm remains unexplored, its secrets waiting for future dream explorers. We've seen the brain's bustling cityscapes during REM sleep, where creativity ignites. Peering into dreams of other cultures, we find universal themes that bind us. From Freud's symbols to modern theories, dreams remain enigmatic, a frontier of the mind. Embracing the mystery of the nightly odyssey. We don't need to fully understand dreams to appreciate their beauty and significance. Marvel at the intricate patterns of a snowflake without knowing its precise physics. Think of yourself as an explorer embarking on a nightly odyssey. Pay attention to the landscapes, characters, and emotions in your dreams. Keep a dream journal and look for recurring themes or symbols. Dreams are a gift, a nightly invitation to explore our inner worlds. Embrace the mystery of the nightly odyssey. Sweet dreams.